Digital technology is blurring the lines between the real and the virtual world. With the Kinetech digital factory application, it's never been easier to optimize your manufacturing facilities from top to bottom. From personnel to projects, planning to reporting, the Kinetech digital factory application has you covered. The easy-to-use interface allows you to manage all of your jobs in one place and efficiently allocate your personnel to maximize efficiency and profit. Let's say you get a new rush order, but you already have a bunch of stuff in the queue. You simply grab the order, drag it from the bottom to the top of the list, and with the click of a button, your schedule automatically updates. Say goodbye to complicated spreadsheets and whiteboards, because with the digital factory application, real-time reporting and analytics are always at your fingertips. Our fully managed, highly secure cloud platform allows you to log in from any internet-connected Mac, PC, or mobile device, giving your production floors and offices the ability to collaborate in real time across multiple locations. And with Kinetech's American-based tech support team, you're never alone. This is just the beginning. We've only scratched the surface. Learn more at www.kinetechcloud.com.